Best stocks to buy October 2020. Number 1. Tesla stock. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started. Yes, Tesla stock is still a buy. So before having a closer look at the Tesla stock price, let's have a quick look at the Tesla news. So for the third quarter 2020, it is expected that the Tesla vehicles deliveries, will be at all-time high. So it will be roughly around 120,000 vehicles. And for this year, the 2020, the whole year, it is expected that Tesla could sell almost 500,000 vehicles. That's a plus of around 30% compared to last year. That's very remarkable considering all the world crisis going on right now. Despite of that, Tesla could still sell even more cars. Smash the like button. Oh yeah, and I also forgot to mention that the Tesla earnings report will come out at the end of this month, so stay tuned. So let's have a quick look at the Tesla stock price real quick. As of today, the 1st of October 2020, the stock price is at around $439. And the market capitalization here is at around $410 billion. So it is still the most valuable car maker in the world. And the PE ratio here, it's still over 1,000. So it is trading more than 1,000 times its earnings. So, Elon Musk himself said that the Tesla stock price is high. Even a few months ago, he tweeted that the Tesla stock price is too high. But yeah, it's all the Tesla stock price is all based on supply and demand, and Tesla products and Tesla stocks are in high demand right now. They're selling their products and stocks like hotcakes. So yeah, because of this high demand, it drives the price higher. This is how it works. And let's have a quick look. Like 1 year ago, the stock price was at around $49. So you would literally 9 times your investment if you invest in Tesla company like 1 year ago. So the Tesla stock price target for next year, so exactly 1 year later, it will be around $3,500 if it can keep up this stock growth rate. And additional requirement, if in the next 4 quarters it will be able to generate profits. Otherwise, if it's not able to make profits in the next 4 quarters, let's assume it is only able to make a profit in 1 quarter out of the 4 quarters, the stock price will be around 1,000. And if they will be able to make 2 profitable quarters in the next 4 quarters, the stock price will be around $2,000. And in the worst case, if Tesla is not able to make any profits in the next 4 quarters, the stock price will be around $500. So these are the scenarios for the Tesla stock price. How many Tesla stocks would you buy? Comment in the video description below. Number 2. Apple stock. So Apple stock is also one of the best stocks to buy October 2020. So before looking at the Apple stock price, let's have a quick look at the Apple news about Apple. So the Apple iPhone 12 will be revealed in about 11 days, so 13th October. So the starting price for the iPhone 12 will be, according to some rumors, it will be roughly around $700. They don't have a charger, they don't have an earphone, so but additionally they have a 5G, so it can compensate something. And there are four different models from like iPhone 12 mini with a 5.4-inch display, and the big one 6.1 display, and the two iPhone 12 Pros. So the biggest iPhone is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, that might be called. So it has like 6.7 inches, the biggest one of it. And oh yeah, they might also reveal the Apple ARM MacBook Pro. This is something that I look forward to personally, because it uses the new Apple Silicon. What do you think about Apple? Comment in the video description below. Processor. So yeah, that's how they call it. So it's based on ARM, so which means it uses less energy and is also quieter. So it doesn't need a fan like all the current notebooks right now. And the good part of it, that software-wise, you can also use your iOS, so Apple iPhone apps, on your ARM MacBook Pro. So they use like the same operating system, the same software. I also would like to add that the ARM MacBooks have a battery life of up to 20 hours. That's double as much as the current MacBook Pros. And on another big advantage of this new kind of MacBook Pro is also the price. Thanks to this new CPU, they can also do, they might reduce the MacBook Pro price, like they lower it for of $2,100 less. So yeah, this sounds very nice, because me personally, I like to have a quiet notebook, because mine is too loud. The more tabs I open, the louder it gets, which is really annoying if like now I want to record my voice and there's a big noise coming out of my notebook. So it's quite annoying. So yeah, new technology with all its new advantages will coming out. Yeah, I think Tim Cook mentioned that it will be you can buy it like late at the end of this year. So it might be coming out very soon, but I guess they will reveal it also on the 13th October 2020. And yeah, so let's have a quick look at the Apple stock price. It is, as of today, the 1st of October 2020. The Apple stock price is at $107. The market cap is also almost $2 trillion, so it is still the most valuable company in the world. 1 year ago, the stock price was at about $55. So you would literally double your investment if you invest into Apple company 1 year ago. And the Apple stock price target for next year, so 1 year later, is $220 if it can keep its growth rate. Any questions, feedbacks or comments, leave it in the video description below, subscribe and see you next time.